Happy Friday, Hong Kong, and welcome to episode 5 of Hong Kong Insurance 101. Today we're taking it back and looking at what it is exactly that insurance does. How does an insurance policy actually protect you? So let's break this down. Insurance started in public houses down by London stocks in the 1600s. It was initially used by sea merchants trying to assure investors that their money wouldn't be lost in the event of something happening to the merchants' cargo ships. Today, insurance covers far more risks than cargo, but the principles that were applied back when the concept was first being transacted still apply today. Insurance is strictly defined as a contract which contains the equitable transfer of risk from one party to another for a predetermined fee. So, if you have a risk, you are able to take said risk to an insurer. The insurer will determine an appropriate fee for taking on that risk in your place. The insurer will then offer you a contract that will outline the terms of the risk exchange and the premium payments. Should you uphold that contract, the insurer assumes liability and the cost burden for the risk that you are transferring to them. Now, the risk could be the cost of future health care, or your home burning down, or even a car accident. In the modern world, there are many insurers specializing in many different types of risks. It is important to remember that when conducting any insurance transaction, that the contract affecting the risk transfer must be equitable, and that a premium or fee must be paid. Withholding information about the risk you are attempting to insure, also known as a material fact, would mean that the exchange is not equitable, and the contract covering the equitable transfer would be voided. However, as with all contracts, it's up to you as to whether you accept the terms being offered by the insurer. Remember, you must find the offered exchange to be fair for the definition of insurance to hold true. You can decline to accept the insurer's offer, and in some cases, there may be the possibility to request amended terms from the insurance company. That's our video for today. We hope you are all having a great week, and we'll see you next week. Until then, please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.